Namaste everyone. After a long gap, I am back here with the concepts of maths as well as physics. I welcome you all on behalf of Escalate Study Point and Library. Last time we have seen some identities based on algebra. Let us revise those identities and we will do some questions based on that. First identity we have seen was a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a very famous identity, well-known identity, which is used to solve many of the typical calculations. Second is a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one is altogether different. A square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Third identity is very different from the first two. First two identities involve expansion of some expression, where third identity involves splitting of an expression that is converting into factors. Then one identity which yet we have to see, x plus a into x plus b is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then one more based on this we can take any of the two to be minus. Say x plus a, x minus b, x square plus a minus bx minus ab. These five identities are connected with the square polynomial, degree 2 polynomial. Some are connected with factorization and some are connected with expansion of an expression. Suppose we take first identity, let us do one question based on that. So we have to find 78 square. We want to use the identity a plus b whole square. So we need to express 78 as sum of two numbers. Say 70 plus 8 whole square. Now remember very well, when we compare a plus b whole square exactly with 70 plus 8 whole square, we can see that square is here, plus is here, plus is here. So left to the plus is a, which is 70, right to the plus is b, which is 8. On the left of plus we have symbol a, here we have symbol a, here it is 70, right of plus we have b, here it is 8. So we can use this identity a square. So 70 square 2ab, so 2 into 70 into 8 plus b square, so 8 square. Here we can write in comparison, we have taken a equal to 70, b is equal to 8. So we can use the identity a plus b whole square in expanding that number. Now 70 square, 7 7 are 49, so 4900. Here 8 7 are 56, 56 2 are 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10 1 11, and 1 0 plus 8 square 64. Adding all, 0 plus 0 plus 4 4, 0 plus 2 plus 6 8, 9 plus 1 10 0, carry 1, 4 1 5 1 6, 6 0 8 4. So square of 78 is 6084. We can verify it by multiplying 78 into 78. It will come out to be 6084. So this was the recapitalization of old identities plus Two more new identities I have introduced, fourth and fifth. In our coming lessons, we will solve questions based on this, and some lectures will be based on physics also. Thank you.